Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix system process taking massive amounts of RAM on Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start. Here type Services. Open Services. Now here guys, in this list you have to find out Sysmain, SYS main, this one. So right click on it and click on Properties. Now startup type, select disabled, then click on stop. Now here click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So like this guys, you can fix and resolve system process taking massive amounts of RAM on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.